So today we are going to unbox the XS Max. So I got this in gray color or silver gray. They had the three options: gold, silver, or space gray, which is similar to black. But I choose the white or silver because my old phone is gold. So now I use Samsung Galaxy S5. So I'm gonna go to Android family to iPhone family. So let's unbox this iPhone. It's already looking really big. As you can see, nice silver iPhone logo here. I think if you get gold, they have a gold logo, or gray with the gray logo on it. So I got the silver, you can tell by the color here. And then I got in 256 gigabytes, so I have a ton of space to do my videos. Let me just turn this around. So here is just all paperwork, designed by Apple in California. And then let's open this. Just a manual how to set up your phone, stuff like that. And they have this key to operate your side lock for the SIM card, which is great. Then just Apple stickers, logo stickers, and that's all. And here is the phone. It looks so big. There you go. Let's take a look in the back. Oh my god, it is white. It's not silver, it's white. I like this side. As you can tell, I have silver ring on it, so I love silver. Oh my god, look at the camera. It is so big. Let's open it. This is awesome feeling. Look at how shiny, clean it is. You know, I love it. The back. It is so beautiful. And I like the sides. You know, I don't even feel like touching it because I don't want fingerprints all over it. But let's move on. Then we have earplugs or headphone, whatever you call. Just like that. And then we have a lightning cable. And power brick. And this feels different here. Oh, because it has a sticker on it. Oh, okay, nice. So this is all it comes with in a package. And that's all I think I have. Let me just put it back in here. One more time, close look. And now I have to purchase the screen protector and the cover for this. So if you have any good suggestion, please give me information in comment section so I can go and purchase it. I didn't want it to open until I received the one, but I couldn't wait, so I go ahead and unboxed it for you guys. But I don't want to use until I have a screen protector and the cover on it, because I don't want to drop this and break it. So this is how it looks. Awesome. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and keep on watching for more videos. And I'm also going to share the information how to transfer data from your Samsung to your iPhone, because I'm a first time user of iPhone, so I'm gonna do a video on it, how to transfer the data from your Samsung to iPhone.